Okay, here's how to scrape a list of domains or websites for the phone number that's found on that homepage. All you need is a list of domains like here, and then I'm going to show you how to build this for free in Claude so that it literally goes to every website and adds a phone number of whatever it finds on that homepage. You could even find like secondary numbers on there. All right, so it is a very simple process. Here are the 7 steps, which we'll walk through A to Z. The first thing is you're going to prompt Claude, help me build a phone scraper off domains. Then you're going to download the phone scraper that Claude gives you. Then you're going to open what's called a terminal, which I'll show you. Everyone has it on their desktop. Then you're going to download Python, totally free and easy. Then you'll ask Claude for a prompt to actually go and use that scraper on your list of domains. All this is done in Claude Code, which you will need a subscription for. And then you paste that prompt and literally Claude will go scrape all the domains. Okay, if you have a list of thousands of domains, that's going to be a bigger job. It's going to take a while, but for anything less, it's going to be really simple. And then even the big stuff, like just add it to build it in batches and it'll get the job done. Okay, so, and then on your desktop is the cheapest way to run this. If you want to run it at bigger scale, just ask Claude, okay, and it'll do it for you. So first is, I was like, I have a list of 200 domains. For the ones that don't have a phone number, help me out. So Claude built a phone scraper and I downloaded said phone scraper. Very simple. Okay, so you're going to click download here and then you're going to create a folder on your desktop. You can name it anything. Name it like lead scraper and you'll drop this phone scraper into that folder. Okay. All right. And then I fumbled around and said, hey, shouldn't I build this on Claude Code? And then it was like blah, 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 blah. So anyways, make sure you have Claude Code, download it for your computer. And then what you're going to do is make sure that you have Python. So just go to Python and download the latest version. And then to verify it, you just come into your terminal. So this is called terminal and you paste this in there to make sure that Python is actually working on your desktop. Okay, takes 2 seconds. All right, so and I'll just like show you an example of that. So I'm gonna go to terminal. I'm gonna hit paste, hit enter, and it shows that Python's here. So that's how you know that's gonna work. And then I'm not gonna open up my Finder. Whatever. So here you can just look for, I think I called it lead scraper. Yeah. So I named mine lead scraper. I dropped in that script in here for the scraper. Here it is, phone scraper PY. This is straight from Claude, first try. And then I have my list of domains. And then literally, it's like magic. Claude will run and then it'll physically just appear here. Like the full run will just appear here as a CSV. All right. Now that you have Python, you're going to ask Claude to build a, help me test this before fully building it. So I come here and just basically say, hey, give me a paste ready prompt for Claude Code so I can test the scraper. And then it'll give you this. Then you copy it. Then you come over to Claude Code. This is Claude Code. And I literally, as you can see, I pasted it here. Then it goes and finds it. And it literally went straight to a sample that worked. So it was like, okay, we couldn't find like 6 of these, but we found the rest. And so I was like, okay, can you figure out how to increase your find rate? And then it'll do it. So it'll fix its prompt so that it finds more phone numbers. Because what you'll find in Claude is like, I went to some of these websites and I found the phone number myself. So I was like, this isn't right. Fix it. And it'll fix it for you. Okay. Once it's finding a high accuracy, so it added this thing called Playwright and then it found 70% of numbers. I was like, perfect. I'm cool with that. So after it updates itself, I went and added the rest of the domains and I said run, and then it finished the job. Okay. Once it finishes the job, it gives you the deliverables here in Claude Code, and it also just automatically pops up in that folder. Okay. So super, super simple. That's literally it. And now I just keep using this scraper over and over again at a high find rate.